I'm scared as a bitch. Did this shit anyway. And you know what? Yep, we gonna walk the fuck out. Let's get the fuck out this bitch. Let's get the fuck out this bitch. I know I came in through Macy's. That's my fucking video. We got some shit. Outfit of the day. Daytime shit. Her ass fat too. She look like she fun. I'll watch her. I'll watch that bitch. Damn, bro. Alright. Just because I'm low-key kind of scared. I'm getting the fuck up out of here. Dope shit. I came in through Macy's. That's all I know. I came in through Macy's. But it's like, bro. Bro, it's like, oh shit. You get the fuck up out of here, bro. I'm not even sure if this is the door I came through. It's not. I came through the side with the fucking, I don't fucking care. I came to the side with the DJ. That's how I know. We just about to leave this shit. Exit immediately. I forgot how to get to that other side. It's like, how he get that? Oh, they go Ralph. I gotta talk to Lauren personally. Oh, it's the kids section. I was upstairs. I think I might have. I don't know if I was upstairs or downstairs. I was upstairs because I was automatically at Zara. Oh shit! They done fell down the fucking elevator. Shit. Oh, I think that's the door I was at. I even fell down the fucking elevator. Embarrassing as
How
shit.
many times has that ended in disaster?